My name is Christian. We are here in the machine shop at KEB America, where we produce brake armatures and flanges for our automation products. Behind me is an AC1000F fine grinder from Peter Wolters. This machine allows us to take fine blank parts as well as parts turned on our lathe turning centers, and helps us maintain parallelism and flatness. My tasks from the day-to-day are essentially programming CNC machines where we manufacture brake assemblies from bar stock to the finished product here at our Minnesota facility. The reason why we got this machine is because surface grinding was our greatest bottleneck in brake production. One of our current methods of surface grinding is using our Okamoto surface grinder. On this surface grinder, we take batch loads of parts and have to grind both sides. This surface grinding operation can take between 10 to 20 minutes for one side of the parts. We would have to take the high volume parts off, clean them, and put them back on and surface grind again, netting us a runtime of 40 minutes for one set of parts. In comparison, from our surface grinding process, our fine grinding process is able to take a higher volume worth of parts in a single setup, is able to both grind the top and bottom surfaces simultaneously, and it is able to do this in 2 minutes as compared to a surface grinding operation which may take 40 minutes. This increase in throughput and volume and this reduction in cycle time allows us to produce higher quantity at tighter tolerances on parallelism and flatness. This machine helps us produce parts that are orders of magnitude more precise than when we perform this operation on a surface grinder. For more information about KEB products, visit us at KEBAmerica.com.